What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Lexus GX 550 Overtrail Plus. This vehicle is powered by a 3.4-liter twin turbocharged V6 with 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. So this is the first time I'm driving the Overtrail version of this new generation of the GX. I have videos on the Premium Plus, and luxury models. So the Overtrail is like the off-roady version, and we'll take a look at that outside. But interior-wise, it looks pretty much the same as the other ones. I really like the new GX, as you guys know. I think it's beautiful. And they sell like hotcakes. They're really popular for a good reason. Very beautiful vehicles, and very reliable too, because it's a Lexus. But yeah. So nice leather wrap steering wheel, shift paddles, big screen, and I like how the screen's integrated into the dash in this car. You have a 360 camera, ventilated and heated seats. You also have your parking sensor stuff over there. You have adaptive cruise control. You had this select for your lane assist and all that good stuff. Drive mode selector. You can put it in Sport and Sport Plus. I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus. This one has the, I think this it's like the olive interior with like the, I forgot what the beige color is called, but it has like the olive color too. The green suede inserts, which is pretty interesting. Here's the center console. You have a cool box too, which is nice. You have a one sunroof. I wish it came with the panoramic sunroof standard. I don't know why these don't come with the panoramic standard at this price point personally. But yeah, let's walk around it now. You have fixed running boards. I believe the Luxury Plus comes with the power running boards. This has a nice black color. I believe it's caviar. And those are the wheels you get on a Overtrail. You also have the off-roading tires, more rugged tires, basically. I love the Lexus spindle grille. Very nice daytime running lights. It's a gorgeous SUV. It looks awesome. It's boxy, it's aggressive, it's luxurious, and beautiful too at the same time. Lexus nailed it with the design. Rear seats with heated rear seats as well. Mark Levinson sound system. You also have sunshades. And I like the light bar in the back. And here's the trunk. A lot of space back there. That's great. You can fit a lot of stuff. But yeah, really beautiful SUV. Let's get this GX 550 Overtrail Plus out on the road. You do have a wireless charging tray. See my phone over there. All right, let's get out on the road now. You also have a head-up display. And yeah, so digital gauge cluster, of course. I like the gauge with the sport mode. It looks cool. And the ride height in these are really good too. Your suspended way over the road. It gives you a comfortable feeling. And visibility is really good out of these vehicles as well. You know, in terms of looking through their side view mirrors, the windows, and rear view mirror as well, of course, so that's nice. And it's pretty quick. Put it in that sport mode, it picks itself up. I mean, 479 pound-feet of torque. It's a lot of torque. Steering feels nice and precise. Look at that. I love it. See, the thing with the GX, this is not an F model. They don't make like a Lexus GX F. I wish they did. That would have been awesome. But this is like more of the luxurious side, and also for like off-roading on this Overtrail. It's not going to be like, it's quick, but it's not meant to be performance oriented. Like, you can't be taking corners at high speeds in this thing, right? And you know, some people ask me, well, would I choose an MDX Type S or this? I love this car, but since I preferred the sportier driving dynamics, I'll take an MDX Type S because I'm just an Acura guy. But man, I do love this Lexus. But see, this thing's quick. Actually, man, let me rephrase that. I might have a hard time choosing. I mean, this is just so awesome. And this thing just looks so much, it just stands out a lot more. Either way, let me put it this way. I love both. This car and the MDX Type S. I would have a really hard time choosing between both of them. Around the same price, is what I mean. But the thing is, like an MDX Type S is like 75,000. This thing's in like, I believe this Overtrail Plus is in the 80s MSRP, but the used ones are going for like 90s and stuff. So it just really depends. It depends on the spec, it depends on the color, all that good stuff. But point being, I would have a hard time choosing. And enough about that. But yeah, this one has like the rugged tires, so it's not as smooth as driving a luxury or a premium. It's a little bit bumpy, as you can see right here. It's still comfortable, but still it is a little bumpy. You know, if you get an Overtrail, definitely make sure you're using it for actually driving off-road and stuff. Because if you're just going to be using it for daily driving on the roads, you will have a bumpier ride than you would with a regular Premium Plus, Premium, etc., which have regular tires with much less road noise and less bumpiness. Because yeah, this thing's real bumpy. But man, Lexus really did a great job with this vehicle. I just love it. And this specific one's a really good color combo. The black exterior with this lighter interior with the olive suede inserts on the seats. It's pretty cool. But the transmission is a little bit slow to respond. That's one thing the MDX Type S has over this, is the transmission's way better in terms of responsiveness. Because again, this is not a sport tune transmission. It's not meant to be sporty. Because that's not what the premise of this vehicle is. But again, everyone has different tastes and preferences in the SUVs and why they're gonna buy an SUV. But you guys know I like to drive everything in a sporty manner. Even if I'm driving a base model Nissan Altima, I'm gonna drive it in a sporty manner. That's just me. But you can put it in manual mode as well. But, you know, as I make more and more videos on Lexus, I just love the brand more and more. Like, I'm an Acura guy, but I didn't used to like Lexus that much. But over the years, as I've driven so many of them, I really do. I like the brand more and more. As I drive all these F Sports and drove the LC500, and Lexus videos are probably some of the most popular videos on my channel, regardless of the model I make. I can make a video on like a 2003 GS and it's still gonna get a lot of more views than some other videos. People just love watching videos on Lexus for whatever reason that is. But either way, I can see why. They're just great cars. Lexuses are, this thing honestly feels like a tank. It literally feels like a tank. Yeah, you can see a lot of other GXs over here that are available for sale here at Grubbs Volvo Cars Grapevine. But overall, that concludes today's video on this 2024 Lexus GX 550 Overtrail Plus. Thanks for watching another video of Drew of Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own pre-owned Lexus GX 550.